Dr. Deuk cured me. 23 years of complete agony. Even my posture has changed. I stand differently. I'm still getting used to it. Thank you.
And you're happy. And
I
that's
am.
what matters.
I am happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
You are
much.
welcome. My pleasure. All right. So, okay, hello there. I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who had chronic back pain. Her back pain she had for how many years?
23 years.
23 years.
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah, when you came and saw me, you had back pain that you had had for 23 years.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody had fixed it for you.
No, I actually had a surgery back in 2003. Lumpectomy, is that what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
Did nothing. Had all the shots.
Yeah.
Same story, every shot.
So laminectomy is where the surgeon takes the lamina or bones and ligaments in the back of the spine out. It actually doesn't fix the source of pain, which is the disc. You had some herniated discs, and I went in there with a laser, and I repaired them for you 6 weeks ago.
You did.
And?
I have zero pain.
Good for you.
I'm afraid to say it out loud.
You said it. So your pain is cured.
Completely.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to wrap my head around it.
Yeah. And your pain was gone the moment you woke up from surgery. Remember we did an interview.
Yeah, it was.
So here you are 6 weeks later.
It's 6 weeks yesterday, yeah.
And the back pain you had before surgery gone. And you're smiling and you're happy.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else you want to tell the rest of the world?
Dr. Deuk cured me. 23 years of complete agony. Even my posture has changed. I stand differently. I'm still getting used to it. Thank you.
And you're happy. And that's what matters.
I am happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
You are
much.
welcome. My pleasure. All right. So